In exchange for this, I want 30% of Brand.
Brand useyitholile uranium.
Thank you, Commander. My contact will transfer the money as promised.
Shit! No! Let the case!
They didn't find any uranium on them.
What?
So why don't you tell me who has it?
Prospero Brand.
What?
Where is my uranium?
We were ambushed. I don't know where it is.
Suicide? It doesn't sound right.
All the evidence points to a suicide at this moment.
Murderer!
What?
I remember now. You killed Femi. You killed him for his shares.
Is it possible that she could have mixed up or manufactured the details of a memory?
There's a condition called false memory disorder.
I need you to sign an affidavit confirming our meeting on the day that Femi Adenorin was killed.
First, you have to do something for me.
What?
Tell me why Prospero was looking for Ambrose, and I'll sign your affidavit.
Ingosi yakho uNtombi njani?
Ingosi yami eGroti no Joe.
Serious?
Yeah, ina 23 years.
Tata Begatina, when he comes out of prison, we were going to get to know each other better. He's gonna spend some more time with me and things like that. But then,
Babe, non ti
I have proof that Jacob Makubu killed Femi Adeniran. I present to you the witness.
I had Jacob and his brother plotting the murder.
Damn it! Tony! Wait a second! Tony, speak!